Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to reactivate Twitter account. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Click on the login from the bottom of your screen. Now provide your phone number, email, or username. Once you provide it, tap on Next. Here it will ask you to enter your password. Enter your password and tap on Login. Then, tap on Yes, Reactivate. And you will reactivate your Twitter account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to reactivate your account on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.